someone was kind enough to give us a few of these landscape timbers that they didn't need anymore, and they're in pretty good shape. So we're going to do something with them. Ooh, you can almost tell what, but it's not going to be in this spot. So stay tuned, and we will get moving on this, the next project. And look, see what it is? It's a walkway from the landscape timbers cut up. And we still got to use the nails to hold them down. I was doing like every other one, but it's getting there. Okay, so we have put down and used up all of the landscape timbers we had. But we're not done yet. We have to waterproof it. And I put a little redwood stain in there that we got to mix up. So it'll be lightly redwood. And if you notice, they're all level. It's a good thing to use the level when you're putting them down. You want a level walkway. So let's get to waterproofing this, and we'll see how we do. Okay, we are finished waterproofing staining. If you notice that can of redwood stain I had in the pictures, I gave it just a tinge of redwood in here. And we'll see how dark that is when it all dries, because I just finished. So we got to wait for this to dry. But that is something you can do with old landscape timbers. I like it. Now I have to get somebody to donate more landscape timbers so I can go around this corner here. Because as you can see, grass doesn't grow there. It's just muddy. So I might as well put something else there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please subscribe for more. Hit like. Don't forget to hit like. Let me know you've seen it. And if you like this idea, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more. So guess what? I got a few more timbers, and we extended it all the way to that clump of grass. All the way where I wanted to go. And with any luck, we'll get a few more timbers. Gotta wait for the car to pass. And we'll be able to take it around the corner for just a couple of feet, not very far. Wasn't that easy? And then we've got, you see these little things sticking up every now and then. I think I might put some solar lights in them. and that would light this up at night. And I think that would look very nice. So we had to add this to the video.